Welcome back to Inverted Aviators RC. How many times do you think I'm going to call this fully removable digital system cool? Let me know in the comments. It's at least 4.
This is so cool. Totally cool. This whole system is so cool. That's so cool. Got a digital head tracker for the first time on this channel, and I'm going to turn on the air unit. Beep. That should mean it's turned on. I can also hear the fan, but we've got everything connected. It should take just a second for it to turn on and then connect, and then these goggles should automatically connect. There we go. And I can reset to the middle. There we go. And then I will record the goggles. All right, we are recording everything. So I think I will start with normal. I'll start on AS3X, which is just crazy to see. There's me. It's my first time flying digital with any sort of head tracking, so I'm super excited about it. Let's just make sure I got this nice and, let's see, centered like this. All right, well, I got, let's see, half flaps. We have AS3X, no full wing ailerons. I just want to get into the air. Okay. So let's turn flaps off. This looks crazy. Okay, safe off. Yep, we've got AS3X Plus. This looks incredible, by the way. I've flown digital with my quad before, but never on a plane. And this just looks crazy. I did put it right in front of the propeller, so it was out of the way a little bit. Also, I saw these guys redoing the tennis courts, which you can see in like crazy high definition. This is so cool. And this isn't even me doing anything. Should I try maybe a little barrel roll? That's amazing. All right, and this is not even the craziest we could do. We still got full wing ailerons to try out. But I just want to look around at stuff. You can see, oh my gosh. This is so cool. Make sure I'm recording everything. Look down, yeah, those are the guys. You can see them driving away. The tennis court looks awesome, by the way. Congrats. I just want to like keep gliding around. Like, this looks so cool. I can kind of track as I go. Man, it's hard not to just look around. Do a little low pass. Over there. Probably pay attention to where I'm actually flying. Let's see if I can do a little low pass by me. That's so cool. Oh, digital is crazy. So if you're watching this means you already saw that I'm on the V2 of the head tracking system. The first one overheated. And then this one doesn't have a canopy, this plane, so I just kind of stapled it on. You can kind of see the edge of it there, which is also cool. There's the air unit, right, or the V2. But since there's no canopy, I just put it on the outside and figured, well, the wind's going to be blowing it quite a bit anyways. It'll probably stay cool. And so this is also a test just to see, will this actually stay cool enough? But as of right now, this is amazing. I'm going to turn full wing ailerons on, so we can do stuff like that. I also just want to sit here, just keep looking. Do we have full wing? Yeah, you can see that both of the control horns are moving in tandem, which means we've got just all sorts of craziness. You can see I have this bamboo skewer top right. Let me just stall all the way out quick because I wasn't paying attention. Bamboo skewer, RF signal low. I think that's fine. I'm pretty close. I have it there in case I roll over. I'm not going right against the bamboo, or against the antenna. I've got a little bit of support. But man, I just want to keep just gliding around. Man, I haven't done like any crazy aerobatics. I've just been like, man, this is cool. A little touch and go. Jeez. Out there with full flaps on and full wing ailerons, so do with that what you will. Let's just try to coast by here. Alright, I'll try to land here because I want to do a lot of crazy aerobatics, but I feel like I've spent this battery. And I'm going to try landing the other way since I always land the other way around this track. So I figure it might as well be, you know, better about it. So I'm going to not just glide in. Ow, bug's biting my leg. Man, how about that? RF signal low, that's fun because I'm so close. But wow, digital is crazy. Look at that. There's me. There's the other camera. The only thing that's a little annoying is this propeller. I mean, I have to put it so close, but look at that. I can look so far. My goodness. We'll be right back in just a second with the second battery. The air unit, or the heatsink on top, totally cool, which just means the air unit's not getting too hot. It should be just fine. That was a 5-minute flight, or at least it was a 5-minute what's it called, recording. I was on the ground a little bit there, but it looked just fine through the whole, like I didn't get any warnings or anything. And we're good. We can also check, see, yeah, so we got flaps, or half flaps. I'll make sure I am, let's see, centered like this. Everything looks great. I actually go a little this way just to make sure normal resting heads are here. All right, well, let's get into the air. So I see a half flaps, full wing ailerons. I think I actually want to go up a little more like this. Okay. Let's get up. Oh my gosh. It's so easy in the air. Oh, I was even on full safe there, which I might try at some point. It says RF signal low. I don't think so. Why am I floating? That's because I got flaps. Oh yeah, now we're doing a good little look around here. So we got nice pond that we've seen a bunch of times, but always in analog, so it's hasn't been the highest of quality. But look at that, we can just look around. What do we got here?
RF signal low.
I keep saying RF signal low, but I'm pretty sure the one that's low is ELRS, which I put an 8 channel in, which is totally overkill. I don't need 8 channels. But that is crazy to look at. Just because everything's so clear. Let's see, let's get up high. Hey, put on flaps. Just float around. Get a good view of the area. I think I can hear the little fan going, which is good. It's blowing on the air unit, which it doesn't really need since we're all the way outside and there's constantly wind flowing over, but it was already put together and I think it looks nice, so I left it on there. We'll take flaps off and just get vertical here.
RF signal critical.
That's so cool. Oh, just a little... It's almost like I just want to look around. When I'm ever doing aerobatics, I'm looking straight ahead because, you know, that's where I'm doing stuff. But it's like, it's just so cool to see everything. And like, oh, look at there's the lake and my wingtip. And me stalling because I was looking at stuff, and so the plane just goes, shoo. Wonder if we just put it into full safe and just go for a nice glide. So this is self-leveling. This is the fly it yourself, or fly it by itself mode. But that's what I want, because I just want to look at stuff. I forgot how far down I could even look. Like, this is incredible. There's me down there. This is so cool. I should have done this so long ago. I've had this project sitting on a bench, or waiting to be perfect before I tested it in a real plane. But I should just, you know, you don't need to be perfect. But this is pretty darn cool. Do a little low pass. I thought that was super cool last time too. Wow. There you go, low pass the other way. It's just so cool. Hello. Man. And I also like, this is different than analog, is I've got a little timer that's just recording like in the goggles. So I know that my goggles are at 60%. I've been flying for 4 minutes. I've got 47 megabits per second digital signal, like, which is amazing to see. This whole system is so cool. Okay, where am I? There's a soccer field. There's a track. I'll throw on full flaps. RF signal critical. I'm at 21 megabits per second. I can see the bottom right. I don't think you'll be able to see that, but all right, we'll kill the propeller all the way and just glide on in. Again, this is just crazy. I even turned down the throws on this head tracker so I don't accidentally go too far, as the instructions recommend. But like, look at that. I got my little wirings. I've got everything, and I've got no propeller. Well, I purposely full flaps, no propeller, taking it easy. There's me over there. Man, this is so cool. And the only little annoying thing is when I'm going slower throttle, you can kind of see it getting wiggly. But when I throttle up, it's really not that bad. I'd say it's comparable to the analog. Oh my gosh, it's just so cool. All right, this has been 5 minutes again, so I'm gonna come in and land since I Y-leaded. I mean, you've seen this if you're still watching, but I Y-leaded the battery to the air unit. This whole system is a part of the same battery plug. So I plug in one thing and I'm good to go, which is the whole point, make it really convenient. But that also means it'll drain a little bit more battery. I don't know what it is. Digital just makes me land crazy good. But wow. I need to get more batteries because this is like the coolest thing ever. Thank you so much for watching. I'm over here. Also my wing, where is it? Can I see it over there? One of these wings are just jittery, which just either means the signal's bad or the servo's bad, but it's just a 9-gram servo. Can't really see it. But I'm over here now. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Innovator Aviators RC. This will be a full flight video, as well as the version 2. I'm pointing as if it's, you know, right over my shoulder. But thank you so much for watching. Stick around for more videos like this. We're going to be getting into more digital flights. There'll be more EDFs. The 3D printed plane that's coming soon, that'll be digital. But this has been like the coolest flight in a long time, just because it's digital, it's cool. I can look all the way around. This is awesome. But thank you so much for watching. Thank you to our members. You couldn't do it without you guys. I really appreciate the constant support. Sorry for the chatter of, like, you can see me pointing as if it's right there, but that servo's super chattery. I'm talking a lot because I'm really excited about this. But thank you so much for watching. It's been Inverted Aviators RC, and stick around for more videos like this.